Well, our last batch of chicks, I'd have to say, is a success. So we have decided to do another batch. We will have 150 chicks this time, hopefully. We will be doing first candle here on the 17th, and we will see how it goes. This is our lovely incubator that we made out of a old display fridge that didn't work. Basically, the fan worked, but the cooling system did not. And then we have over here the ink bird that keeps everything at the proper temperature. The heat lamps go on when it gets too chilly and turns off when it's at the optimal temperature. And of course, we've got our bowl of water for our humidity. Last time we had a 62% rate. So let's hope for an even better one this